Hi, welcome to my profile. My name is Umar Slim and I'm here at Fiverr exclusively to provide you all kinds of video related services as a spokesperson and as an actor. I can review your products, make testimonial videos, introduction videos, natural looking selfie videos and reaction videos in 4 different languages: Urdu, Hindi, English and Punjabi. I usually shoot in front of green screen, which later can be replaced with any desired background just like this. Or I can use real location if required. About dressing, it could be casual, it could be formal, or any customized attire that you require. I shoot in 1080p Full HD quality, which can be delivered in any video format. Before getting started, you may check awesome samples in my profile and honest reviews of satisfied clients. I'm looking forward to have a great professional relationship with you. So contact me in the inbox and let's get started.